So is that a caramel coulis?
It's basically a caramel with peanuts, and then they are mixed together, and the oil that the peanuts contain gets out, and so it becomes a spread paste-like texture. So it's only sugar and peanuts in this, with a bit of salt.
And then there's more.
The topping. That is caramelized peanuts, basically.
And tell me about the cookie that's underneath.
The cookie is it's basically during the process is hardly ever mixed. So you have the flour that is not quite mixed with the butter and the eggs, so that you get a texture that is very soft inside and quite crispy on the outside.
Delicious.
And you obtain that by not mixing too much the flour with the rest of the ingredients.
Great.